So we make it fairly simple. We have a Snowplow prep package that fits all of the Chevrolet Silverado 45, 55, and 65. And then you can do things like upgrade the alternator capacity. We give you a 220 amp alternator standard in the Snowplow prep package. But if you want, you can twin that with a 160 and have a dual alternator arrangement if you need more power. We give you an actual loop of wire and a switch, so it allows you for a simple installation of that lighting. We have the turn signals and headlamps that are above plow level. The wiring's already there, so when they put the plow on, you simply connect in the lighting, and then it obviously provides the headlighting and signal operation and parking lamps that are on the front of the vehicle. So it's one package, and then obviously you can upgrade to have the additional alternator on there if you choose. But we make it very simple also. That means the plow manufacturers should have an easy time. They don't have to think about, well, this is a 45 and it's going to have a different wiring harness or a different setup mechanically than what the 55 or 65 does. So what they're going to notice, and it depends upon what era they're coming out of, when you get into municipal government, sometimes you have some really old hardware, right, that you use in that snow plowing activity. But things like having the 4x4 is just a simple electronic lever or switch that you actually rotate to be able to go from two-wheel drive high in a four-wheel drive to four-wheel drive high or four-wheel drive low. There's no more shifting of a transfer case. They're all automatic transmissions, so there's no, and automatics have been in snowplows for a long time. Matter of fact, it was one of the applications that was early adopters in the medium duty space, just to make it easier because the driver's doing a lot of forward and reverse, moving that vehicle around and positioning it to de-ice and put actual road traction agent down, as well as being able to plow snow. So the turning radius, though, along with that automatic and the ease of getting it in and out of four-wheel drive, makes it much easier than in the past it was. And obviously the Duramax engine, very thrifty, fuel efficient, set up to be able to handle long hours of operation as you're plowing snow during weather events. So much more comfortable, much more pickup truck-like cab. When you sit inside of it, it's very Silverado pickup truck-like. It's just an extension as the Silverado 45, 55, or 65 of the Silverado series that we have out. So a lot of the same amenities that you find in a half-ton or a three-quarter-ton pickup, they're incorporated into this medium-duty truck. That's a great question. On pain points, it's usually surrounding around the amount of weight I can carry on the truck. And again, when you are in a half-ton, three-quarter, or one-ton, they have very good payload characteristics. All of them do, and they all fit in their weight class, right? But if I need to go much higher than that, then I need to step into this medium class. So if I need to haul heavy weight constantly, that's what I'm going to be doing. So water departments, streets departments, and the municipalities, this is often a workhorse for them year-round. The other thing is just the configurability of the wheelbases and bodies on the vehicle. So if I need to haul heavy weight, but I also need to have a body configuration that might be longer than a pickup truck in that half-ton, three-quarter, and one-ton would provide, this is the tool I would step into. So if I have some specialty length of a body, a platform, a flatbed, maybe even a lift gate on the back to be able to get equipment on and off of it, I end up stepping into this type of truck. So It's definitely a step up as far as how much you can carry, but it's also a step up in all the different configurations that you can put on the back of the frame of the truck as well. And we give you nice straight frame rails, so whether you're putting an ambulance body on it or you're putting a dump body like you see here, we made it so it's very easy to upfit. By mounting the body on a nice straight frame, it's very easy to do. Wiring you can plug and play. We have power takeoff to be able to power additional mechanical or hydraulic equipment off the actual transmission itself on both sides. So when you need something that's, I'll say, more specifically suited to a job, you often step into a medium duty truck.